Hello, it's Hannah here and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Volkswagen Taigo match finished in a smoky grey paintwork. This 2024 model comes with a 1 litre petrol engine and manual transmission, perfect for a family city upgrade. This vehicle comes equipped with electric folding door mirrors, followed by LED headlights for that great visibility, sat on stunning 17-inch Clayton silver alloy wheels, contrasting nicely against a grey finish. As we enter the boot space, you can see this is a fantastic area of 440 litres, perfect for all your necessities. Moving into the rear of the car with a full cloth upholstery, offering a relaxing and stylish finish, with charging ports accessible from the rear. Moving into the front with a multifunctioning steering wheel with central touch display, the full cloth finish follows through to the front, allowing a luxurious and comfortable driving experience. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connections. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving on to the central infotainment system, you got a variety of different radio stations that you can listen to keep you entertained along your journeys. App Connect allows you to connect your phone to the car so you can access apps such as Spotify, Apple Music, or even your messages whilst on the go. For your extra safety, you've got your rear view camera and parking sensors, perfect for those awkward and tight manoeuvres, especially in busy car parks where parking can be really tight. Your manual climate controls will be found below screen and easy access so you can control the temperature of the car whilst driving. Finishing off with a central console with charging ports, cup holders and a central console armrest for any extra storage you may need. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.